Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the bike safe. Disconnect the battery and unplug the charger, then wait a couple minutes so capacitors bleed down. Next, document every connector and wire. Take clear photos and label harnesses with tape so you can restore them exactly. Once done, remove any covers or racks to expose the controller. Note its mounting points and cooling orientation because the new controller must fit and ventilate the same way to avoid overheating. You now remove the old controller. Disconnect each plug by depressing its latch and wiggle gently. This preserves pins. Take out mounting screws and any spacers, keeping hardware organized for reassembly. Then match wiring, compare phase and hall sensor pinouts, power input, throttle and PAS connectors so the new unit maps identically. If connectors differ, plan to adapt with the OEM harness or solder joints. Make sure grounds are secured, because install the replacement controller in the same spot and orientation. This preserves cooling and cable lengths. Reconnect all harnesses using your labels and photos, secure stray wires with zip ties, then reconnect the battery. Power up in a low throttle state and test PAS, throttle response, and motor spin direction. Calibrate throttle and PAS settings per the controller menu if available. If the motor hums, reverses, or trips errors, check phase-to-phase and hall wiring order first. Use a multimeter to verify continuity and correct any swapped wires.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.